Okay, you guys, what's up? I'm about to make some Southwest egg rolls. So here is my green. Here watching De'Ara's new closet. It's so crazy because I didn't even know about her until all that stuff went on with her and her man. Like I never knew who she was or nothing until the initial stuff with Ken. I never knew about that, but I follow her channel. I like it. That I'm using for this recipe, y'all see I just cut the red bell peppers and green bell peppers. We're going to use the carb balanced mission flour tortillas. They only have 70 calories per tortilla and 19 gram carbs, 15 gram dietary fiber. So the total net carbs is 4 grams of net carbs. So this is really good. It's a healthier alternative than the regular tortillas. Make sure you get the carb balanced ones. They have it in whole wheat too, which I think is even less carbs. I think it's only 2 grams net carbs for the wheat one. So yes, get these y'all carb balanced. And good. So we'll set that to the side. Here's our spinach we're using. We're gonna use some CUMIN. We're gonna use some Badia complete seasoning. We're gonna use, I might not need that, so I just put that out. I probably won't need the salt. We're going to use some ground white pepper, rotisserie chicken seasoning for the chicken, and this here, Crazy Cajun. And I might use this, don't know. I don't really need this because I have the CUMIN powder and this, and this along with all of that is going to kind of make this seasoning taste a little bit. So, I don't know. I might not use it. Oh, and of course, we got to take out the twins. Got to take out our fraternal twins. Onion powder and garlic powder. Of course, I got to throw in some paprika. So, I like to make mine fairly small. I ain't adding that much chicken. I don't really have to have no chicken in it. So that's why I'm going to dice them up real small. Because I really don't like this kind of chicken. I should have got some rotisserie chicken. Or you can bake your own chicken. But, I mean, this is a quick meal for me. So I used this chicken here. Is the chicken that I use. Alright, y'all. It's time to get cooking. First, we're going to put, I'm going to use some avocado oil. We're going to put the avocado oil in here. That pan is nice and hot, baby. Nice and smoking. Let's turn it down. Let me do that now. So, where's our veggies? So, we're first just going to go ahead in with our veggies, which is our red bell peppers and green bell peppers. We're going to go ahead and dump those in there. I'm just going to go ahead and dump everything in the pan. You already rinsed off corn. I'm going to dump that in there. I love corn. Then here's our rinsed off beans. I'm going to go ahead and throw all of that in there. And since my chicken is already cooked, I'm just going to leave that on the side. Go ahead and throw your spinach. You're going to put your spinach in as well. And put more than enough spinach because I love spinach. And spinach is good for the soul. And then spinach cooks down a lot too. Alright, then we're going to go in with the seasonings. So first up is our garlic powder. We're going to garlic powder that thing. Let's spray it with the onion powder. With the paprika. Go in with the Crazy Cajun seasoning. Put that in there as well. Let's take it this way. Alright. I'm going to use some white ground pepper. And some CUMIN to give it that taco-y taste. And then a little razzle-dazzle to get complete. That's what I just do in there. A little razzle-dazzle with that. Let's blend all of this together. That's what we're gonna do. That's what you're gonna do. I'm just gonna blend it all together. I'm gonna add some of this Himalayan salt because it needs some salt. Need some more seasoning. See, that's why you gotta taste your food. Because you want it to taste delicious. Period. Alright, let me season this. And then, so I'm gonna slide the chicken on in at the top. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and sprinkle it with some of this rotisserie. You're supposed to use Monterey Jack cheese, but I'm gonna use some of this triple cheddar cheese. As long as you got the cheese blending in, it's gonna be good. It don't really matter what kind of cheese it is. And I love cheese, so you know I'm gonna cheese it up. You know, you take this, you take some, put it in the middle. And then we're gonna go ahead and, I want it thicker. I want more meat in here. We want more meat in here. Okay. So, and then you're gonna take your thing, dab it, and then you can just like seal it. All right. Now we ready to drop these. We're gonna just do like probably one at a time maybe. So go ahead and drop her in. Alright. It's floating at the top, so I'm in this done. I would like for it to be more brown. Let me show y'all. I would like for it to be more brown, but it's still good. Alright, so now I'm about to work on the sauce. This is what I use for my ranch dressing. I use sour cream, the dip, and then I'm gonna use avocado. 1 packet of the ranch dips. And pour it in. Actually, I think I'm about to scoop it out and then scoop it back in. So we're gonna scoop it out actually, guys, first. I usually just do it in this container, but I'm gonna just scoop it out. Well, I usually use this other sour cream container from Aldi, so it's like a wider circle, so it'll be easier than using this one. But so for this one, I'm just gonna do this and then put the seasoning in there, and then I'm gonna tuck it all back into that. Okay. gonna put our ranch in here. Look, it's still a whole, oh, cut open our avocado. And we're gonna cut all of that and put it into. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, so and we have avocado ranch. And look at those babies. Beautiful. 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 And here we have our Southwest avocado egg roll with our avocado ranch dip. So delicious. I didn't cut this one yet because I might not eat it tonight, and then I might have to put it back in the fryer tomorrow, so that's why I didn't cut it yet. So we're gonna just take that off the plate. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to tear this up and go feed my baby her food. So good night. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoy.